Hi, I'm Vernaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. So today I have yet another exciting recipe for you. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell. So let's begin with this lovely easy recipe. I'm taking half a cup of almond flour. Don't worry about the grams in this recipe. It's okay if it's a little above or below. It doesn't really matter. Okay, to this I'm going to be putting in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Just see that, if you like it more cinnamony, put a quarter teaspoon more. If you like it less cinnamony, put quarter teaspoon less. Now I'm putting 1/8 of a teaspoon of xanthan gum. Always mix your xanthan gum in with your dry ingredients because that really helps stopping the clumping. Now I'm using a stevia erythritol blend. Use your, it's a granular one. Use your favorite sweetener, but do not use allulose in this recipe. And I'll tell you the reason for that later. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of water. So again, if your brand of almond flour needs 3 tablespoons of water to bring it together, then do so. If your brand of almond flour needs 4 tablespoons of water, then do so. Just see that it is hot water because that's when we are working the xanthan gum and bringing it into a dough. Okay, so it's really a simple recipe. And now after I've kneaded it a bit in my hand so that the xanthan gum does its work, now I'm putting it in between 2 parchment papers, rolling it out really thin. Really thin means maybe 1/8 of an inch. I don't even know how much is 1/8 of an inch, but really, if you can see this, just about there. Now in one corner, I can see it's a little thinner. So the other one, I'm just pulling out a little more just to make it equal. I brought it into a shape with which I can cut little squares. Don't lift it up from the parchment paper as yet. But as you'll see, I'm using a pizza cutter. So a few of the pieces, when I go the other way around, there you go, look how malleable it is. Now when I make the squares, I turn it around. A few pieces will stick to the pizza cutter. Don't worry about that. Only the pieces that have got stuck or overlapped with the rest, I'm going to separate those and keep it on the parchment paper. After you do all this, guess what? You are going to put it into the microwave for anywhere between 2.5 to 3 minutes, depending on the wattage of your microwave. Keep a watch on it. You'll see that it looks baked, cooked, whatever you want to call it. Now, after it comes out after 2.5, 3 minutes, allow it to cool on your countertop for at least half an hour to 45 minutes. Reason being, they'll feel a little soggy straight out of the microwave. But after about 45 minutes, you'll get this crunchy, crispy, and absolutely amazing. Enjoy this with your milk substitute like almond milk or coconut milk. Add a few berries in it. Add whatever to make yourself a great new kind of breakfast instead of eggs. Thanks for watching and see you soon.